ang ating masarap na breakfast. Tapos ito yung puntot. Ito yung ating squid. Galamay. My fruit salad. Golden parmesan. 2 minutes. Perfect ang pagkaluto. Baked whiting fillet. Ayan. Ayun. Successful ang ating bitso. So, ito siya. Bulburan mo lang siya ng brown sugar or white sugar after siya maluto. Ganyan lang siya kabilis. Ito kasi ang unang bitso na alam ko. Kasi dati sa amin madaming nagtitinda ng ganito. Lalo na yung mga maraming tanim na kasawa. So, most of the time, ang bitso sa amin sa Cebu ay gawa sa kasawa. So, ito na nga yun. Bitso ni Mrs. G. Cebuano version. Cebu version. Hey.
You. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning. Magluto tayo ng brown rice. Kasuway na ba magluto ani nga gas? First time ko nakasuway ani nga brown rice. Jen Jimay. Nakita na ko hapon sa grocery. Barato ra siya. 4 pounds, so meaning 2 kilos, $7.50. Nandito na siya tanawin. So, ayan natin ito sa kamaani. So, compared to white rice, 64% more fiber, 26% more potassium, 52% more magnesium, 161% vitamin B6, 1021% more vitamin E, 400% more antioxidants. Genma is a premium whole grain rice, brown rice, that is not only superior in taste but also cooks more quickly. Created through a proprietary technique that makes Genjimai more permeable for water, out to water while maintaining all of the nutrients, thus creating brown rice with better texture that is much more nutritious than white rice. So there's a difference. White rice, wala na siya yung anod. Ang siya kitawag germ. Tanggalan na siya. Tapos haigan. And this is the Genjimai. This is the cooking preparation. 4 cups of rice. Rice into the inner pan of the rice cooker using measuring method. Cup provided. Add water as suggested by the rice cooker manufacturer. Let it stand for 30 minutes. Turn the rice cooker on. Stir and loosen the rice after cooking has been completed. Then serve. Yang sus, wala na normal rice. But brown rice need extra water. Basta magluto ko og normal rice katong puti. 1:1 mostly. 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. But for brown rice is 1:2. 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Ay kahit mo doon siya. Okay, let's get started. Started. Okay. Okay, mao ni ang naong sa bugas. Magoy brown rice na walay lami ng murag sungo ba mga lisod po mga itog brown rice na pili ka ng murag sungo hait. Okay, let's cook this one. Robin is still singing.